Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new here, my name is Tina, and I do apologize I haven't been doing a long form video for a very long time. I've been very busy doing short videos, and I've been busy posting it on TikTok. So if you have not seen my TikTok, I do appreciate it if you come and watch my channel or watch my videos and support me on that one. But again, thank you for coming back on this channel. So it's fall, we all need this new knitwear or wool items. So for today we're doing a Sezane haul. This is actually the actual box for my Sezane, and look how beautiful it is. It says October, and then they actually gifted me with. All right, so let's move along with or let's start with the first item, which is this Basileo Cardigan, and this comes with navy, khaki, and light beige, and I do have the light beige, which is so beautiful. I love the color of this cardigan, and I actually have the size medium, and it fits well, so it's true to size. Now for the description, is an alpaca and wool vest with long sleeves, slightly ballooned, beaded red knitting, neckline, tone on tone buttons. Look at those buttons, it's so beautiful. Tone on tone buttons, and the length from shoulder is 56 centimeters. And for the main fabric, this is actually made of 55% alpaca, 15% wool, 30% polyamide, and this is actually made in Italy. So it's such a very beautiful cardigan. I love the balloon sleeves. I think it's pretty warm for fall, but in winter, of course, you're gonna layer it with additional layers because it's not enough. But I love the color. I think the color really fits me well, and for that reason, I think I'm going to keep this one. All right, so the next knitwear that we have here is called the Jessie Bodysuit, and this comes with ecru and black, and I do have the ecru, as you can see. And this is made of merino wool and organic cotton long sleeve bodysuit. It has that beautiful v-neck line and adjustable tie at the crotch, and it is the length from shoulder is 72 centimeters. It is made of organic cotton 50% and 50% merino wool. I do love the I don't know how I call it, crinkle on top. It's more like a, how do you call that, heart-shaped neckline, and it's just really beautiful, and I really think it really flatters my body shape. Now the sleeve is not very long, it's about here, so it's not too bad, and I got it in medium, and for some reason it's a little tight, so maybe size large would be better. So if you want this one, I would suggest you size up. And I absolutely love this bodysuit, and for that reason, I think I'm gonna keep this for fall. All right, let's talk about this third knitwear, which is the Leontin Jumper. And this actually comes with navy ecru, ecru camel, ecru rosewood, and I think I got the navy ecru. And this one is a long sleeve organic, so gently puff sleeves. It has that round neckline with button, placket fastening, and the length from shoulder, it is 55% centimeter, and it is made of 100% cotton. I love the idea of stripes. I do love the idea of the buttons in the front. I think it's really beautiful. You can make a v-neck, and it goes down here, so you can actually make a deeper v-neck if you want to. It's slightly oversized, but for some reason the color doesn't really match my skin tone. But so for that reason, I think I'm probably gonna return this one, but I honestly think it's a beautiful knitwear. And I do like that elasticize on the sleeve as well. It's actually elasticized too. But Sezane makes one of the best knitwear that I've seen. So, I mean, you might like it, but for me, I think for for some reason the color doesn't really match my skin tone. All right, so let's talk about the two trousers that I have on this haul. And the first one that I have is this Lukas Trousers. And for this one, it is a high-waisted straight pants, wide leg, removable belt with buckle, stitch pleats on the front. So you have that stitch pleat on the front, as you can see. And you have that removable belt with a nice buckle in the front. It has a little, I call it fake pockets because it's not a real pocket, but it has that stitch pleats on the front, a pipe pockets, that's how you call it, a pipe pockets in front and patch pocket in the back. And this is made of 53 recycled polyester, 43% wool, and 4% elastane. And for the pocket lining is 65% polyester and 35% cotton. And this is made, it has different colors. It has the indigo and jaguar roses, and I do have the acro uni. It is such a very sophisticated pants. It is high-waisted, which I really like, and you can see the pocket in the back, and then you have that folds at the bottom of this trousers. I mean, it's such a very long trousers. Even though I'm wearing like 4 inches heels, it's still very long. For that reason, I think I'm going to return it, but I think it's a beautiful pants. My favorite part of this pants is that it's high-waisted, and the material is actually pretty good. I think it's really well made, but only if it's not too long, I will probably get it. But for that reason, I think I'm just gonna return it. And I just want to mention it actually has 2 pockets in the front where you actually zip it or close it. So let's move on to the next trousers. All right, all right, so the last item that I have for this haul is this Sama trousers, and this is actually high-waisted trousers, which I like. It is adjusted, it has adjusted leg, waist highlighted by a cutout, Italian front pockets, and piping on the back, and closure with 3 buttons and a zip in front. And this is made of 98% cotton and 9% elastane. So it has that 3 pockets in the front, as you can see, and it has that beautiful details in the front. I don't know, like little pleats in the front. It has that really nice pockets, and I like this part of the denim. And I think this is a great denim for someone who wants to hide their midsection if you want to. And look at the pockets in the back, it's really beautiful too. So this is sort of like mom jeans, I don't know, balloon size of denim, but I think it's a beautiful denim jeans. And this one comes with different colors too. Let me check. It comes with light blue, and I got the denim blue, and I do like it actually. So I have to decide if I want to keep it or not, but let me know in a comment below if I should keep it or not. All right, my beautiful ladies, that is it for now for this Sezane try-on haul for fall 2022. And let me know in a comment below which one is your favorite, and which one do you think I should keep, and which one do you think fits me well. And again, if you are new here, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel. And if you want a recommended video that you want me to make, I'll do it for you. And I hope to see you on my next video.